In this video, we're going to show you to install the fog light bulb and socket on your Jeep Grand Cherokee, located on the back side of your fog light. Using a 22mm socket, loosen and remove the lug nuts. Once you have the lug nuts removed, grab the wheel, remove it, and set it aside. We're going to use our trim tool. I'm going to remove our two front trim pieces here. On the lower front inside of the fender well liner, there's going to be a 10mm bolt. Loosen and remove this. Now our bolt was spinning around, so we were able to work our fender liner off, but if you peel this back, you can see the bolt spinning, and the metal retainer itself had rusted, so we're going to have to remove this here and then replace it with another retainer. On the back side of the fog light, we're going to pinch our connector right here, wiggle that off. I want to go ahead and pinch these two little tabs on the top and bottom and pull out our bulb and socket. When installing your bulb and socket, you want to pay attention to the placement of this here. On one side, there's going to be two little tabs. On the other side, there's a single tab, and it actually lines up on the fog light assembly. Line that up. And press it in. You're going to feel it and hear it snap into both sides. Take your connector, line that up, push that on. You're going to feel and hear that snap into place. Ours was missing the hardware there. We replaced our clip on the bottom. We have a new bolt and a washer there. I'm just going to gently snug that down. Once you've secured the liner, go ahead and install your wheel. Get our lug nuts all started by hand first. Once we have all these on, we'll go ahead and snug them down. Now we want to go ahead and torque down our lug nuts to 100 foot-pounds.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.